naman po again mga kababayan on sir. This is John, the Filipino channel po ang inyong pong lingkod. So today nga is November 25, 2024. Tayo ngayon ay papunta dyan sa may Daitrium at Benilde, may Arellano Corner, Ayala, Barangay 762, Santa Ana, Manila. Santa Ana, Manila. At dadalhin po natin yan sa may Ayala Mall sa Manila Bay, just na Macapagal Boulevard sa corner Asiana Avenue sa may Tambo, Parañaque po yan. Okay, so magbabalik po tayo mamayang konti. Pag nakuha na po natin sila, disclaimer naman po, ang content po natin ay kaunsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya nga naman, sakasakali man po na may marinig kayo, mga pangalan po ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organizations, government or private man yan, ay wala pong kinalaman ng channel na ito at wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po ng pinag-uusapan dito ay pawang dito lamang po yan sa loob at wala pong pinapatungkulan po sa labas. Okay po? So magbabalik po tayo mamayang konti pag nakuha na po natin sila. Paalam ko lang po, recorded po tayo na po.
Okay, sige po.
At in-upload yan sa aking YouTube channel po, Jam the Filipino Channel.
Ay wow. Anong YouTube mo kuya?
Jam the Filipino Channel. Jam the Filipino Channel po. J-A-M
Jam.
Opo, Jam
The Filipino
Channel. Magbabakasakali lang po.
Tama. May side hustle pa si kuya. Hindi pa rin dumadating. Hindi pa dumadating pa. The facts back.
I'm happy though I have my NBI now.
What's that for? For
Application.
If ever.
If ever hanapin lang.
Pero saan ka kumuha ng MBA here?
Hello. Is that? It's not. Is it?
Girl, you're blind. Like for
Oh no,
someone-
it's not. It's not.
For someone who's like blind, hindi ka nagkasalamin.
I am.
Di ba
Actually.
same tayo ng grado?
Mine's probably higher.
150, 200
That was my last recorded.
grade.
Oh god.
It's malabo pa
It's
din.
clear.
It's clear.
It's kind of clear.
I feel like tumaas pa yung grado ko.
Yeah, mataas pa. Pero I can see.
Bagay sa'yo.
No.
Tangin ang ego nito.
Dapat lang. I have to feel good about myself always. Because if not, I'll lose it.
I agree.
Even if I don't believe it myself. I have to believe it. Okay. Congrats for you. I know. Pasensya na. Kahit yung pamilya ko, you do something sweet. Ay, okay, wow.
Thanks.
Thanks.
That's
Legit.
Oh my god.
Walang, oh, ganyan.
I could never.
That's like frowned upon. I wish I was.
Like before I left Batangas Friday, I gave my mom like 3 months. Because I knew I wouldn't see her until like Christmas.
Good on you. I like side hug my mom. Like,
Tinotropa mo.
no, that's what she does to me too. Eh.
At least it's reciprocated.
Yeah. Sa family namin yun. We're like, oh, ikaw parang basta may angas lagi. Pero that's the sign of love. I know. That's why I am the way I think. Kaya nga, I don't know how to deal with lover boys. I'd like to think I am in theory, pero in actual, straightforward.
You're more
But
Like,
I,
you have to.
yeah, that's true. Pero sometimes kasi it reads off as I'm void of feelings, which I agree. I kind of am sometimes. Or I compartmentalize my feelings always.
Mm. I remember today when we had the talk.
Which one? We had a lot.
Yung
We have too much.
for someone that's known each other for like a month.
Yeah, we talk too much.
Yung ano, when you ask what you need to do.
Yeah.
And then your
That was
reaction.
serious.
Yeah, that was really serious.
No, I mean that was a serious question.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know kasi it's on you. And not my expectations that way. So, I'm not expecting a lot.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Pero-
I need a nudge sometimes.
Yeah, I know. You said it. And I feel it. It's just...
Not
when
everyone.
I know. Kasi you said din na ano parang you wanna talk about it. Which I
Mm.
appreciate that. Kasi there are very few people who like who go out of their way. Like let's say it's a interpersonal like talk. I'd say that one was and like other people just avoid. But you faced it like head on without
Yeah.
having to be like
It wasn't uncomfortable for me. It was just like, oh, okay, what's happening?
I'm sorry, it was so abrupt. Like the way I brought it up.
We didn't even bring it up. We just had a shift in the vibe.
I don't know, I thought the conversation was going that way, kaya I brought it up.
No, not really.
Sorry. That's on my end. And then you were like this. So sorry if I haven't said.
Dude, he's hot. I hate it. That's what you're headed to, which is exciting. Will
Don't
you get a
expect
perm?
too much.
Yeah. Will you get a perm?
I don't know.
I don't think it's possible.
I wanna try. Because a lot of my friends say the bagay siya sa akin.
Nothing
Sigur-
super curl.
Nothing super curl.
Yeah,
Soft
yeah, yeah.
perm lang.
Yeah. Because I'm looking. I can see you have like
Waves.
waves. Yeah.
Yun nga eh, kasi super flat ng hair ko. Eh,
It is.
ayoko nung nag-aayos ng hair. Very rarely do I apply like wax just to like have some body.
Yeah.
And, like today.
That is me.
Sinipag
That's
ako
not
ng-
me. I have this.
You have to look good every day.
Not just because it's my job. Again, for me.
So when are you leaving for US?
Hindi ko nga alam if I wanna tuloy pa. If I leave, siguro not States, Europe na lang or Middle East or some shit. Kapag I know.
Sorry, nakago pala tayo. na dumaan kasi si Kuya kaya medyo kala ko naka-stop tayo.
It's good to me that
Do we not get hate crime there? Okay.
by we you mean the
Like the we.
the we.
We.
No. Yeah, you get hate crime.
Oh no. Pero hindi naman ako.
Pero hindi siya super... I don't think you would.
Really? Oh, that's nice.
Good for me.
Good for me. Damn. Okay, time to fly. Saan ka ulit? Sa Dubai? Sa Saudi?
Very spread out. There was some time
Yeah, you
we lived
are
in Dubai.
very spread out.
What do you mean? We lived in Dubai for a bit.
Okay.
Then we moved to
UAE.
Khobar. Yeah, like Dubai and Saudi is different.
Yeah.
And then we lived in Saudi. Pero multiple cities in Saudi. We kept moving around. That's why I feel like
Why?
moving. Kasi work ni Papa.
My dad. Okay. He's still there now.
Yeah. It's been so long. I moved there when I was 7 years old. I'm 21 now.
15 years. bungol, ako bulag, ikaw bungol. I'm excited about the food.
I wanna eat.
Let's check the cinemas na muna, let's find food.
Do you have data?
Yes.
Can I connect?
Ay, paubos na. Shit. What do we do?
Maglo-load na ako.
Sige, load na tayo pagdating doon.
Wait lang, I have work.
It's gonna expire in like when? Oh, it's gonna expire in 23 minutes. So I'm gonna sulit it na. Wait, papanood ko sa Gcash.
My friend got me a photography job. And I just have to take photos of girls and panties.
Damn.
Gusto mo ako model?
Pwede. Ako yung pader. Ilapat mo na yun sa akin.
And then it's 3-5.
3-5?
Yeah. That's why it's like, kasi, ano lang, kahit hindi ko kailangan pumunta ng studio or anything. I can do it sa yun, wala. I will ask my...
You need models?
No. No. Like flat lang.
I could get you models. Why not? For your portfolio and
Sing nga.
something.
Man, what's happened this year?
This type of blue doesn't make sense with me, I think.
On you?
It's not the most flattering.
On you?
I think. Sa'yo bagay.
Because I'm more...
Yeah. I wish I was one.
No, bagay sa'yo.
Dinastrip ko na rin. So,
Kasi you have to face you know,
I wanna look
two guys have
racially-
like, two of my friends now ask me like, if may
lahi.
lahi ka ba?
I wanna look, anong tawag dun sa racially ambiguous. I wanna look. I wanna look.
Define ambiguous.
I want to look like an island boy na mestizo. Pero moreno.
Ang hirap naman nun.
No, like moreno ako. Or like just tanned mestizo guy.
Ah,
If ever.
you want that, lush, like the glow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Who wouldn't want that glow? Some people don't, yeah. My favorite version of me is when I'm at the beach talaga. Tan, all red.
You go to Isla Verde.
Well,
Well, doon kasi din may bahay. Tapos libre yung
Ah.
libre lahat. So, syempre, I wanna go there.
they were asking me, yung closest circle, bakit dito kita dalhin sa Wednesday? Sabi ko, ayoko. It's our night. My birthday. Like celebration. Sabi ko, like, sometime soon, but not on my birthday.
Yeah. And it feels off something.
It does. Hindi sa ayaw kita, like ayaw kita
Gets-
ipakilala. It's just, I don't think it's a time.
I get it. Don't have to explain.
I just wanted to share it with you.
So you're eating with, you're gonna go out with friends.
Like, friends being 2 people. And actually, 4. All girls.
I really thought we were okay.
I get that a lot from different.
Kaya mas ako na you were 20. It's like, I'm older than you. May few months lang yun.
The way I It will fly very quick for me. I could tell.
It's gonna be quick as soon as we go in. That's the thing.
Ah, yeah. You have to be quick.
Yeah. There's no downtime for me this week.
Same.
Kaya when you said that you made iOS, I said, okay, let's go. Kasi
You know this is the one time.
the
you-
one time that I'll be free.
I appreciate that you spent it on
What am I gonna spend it on?
sleep.
Sleep is okay. I have good sleep. I get good sleep naman. I do.
Good for you. I don't.
Kasi you use your phone.
I do. Parang yun na yung rest.
Rest. It's not rest.
I know.
I'd rather.
Ano yung tawag doon? Cortisol levels. I don't even know what the fuck that is.
Dude, I've been reading that for like 1 year now.
Brain rot.
Nothing.
Yeah.
I don't know it. Like,
Where is it from?
where does it come from?
Exactly.
From your brain? From your stomach? Tapos kapag nag-workout, until you get enough sleep, it goes down. I do that.
I don't even get the pheromone shit.
I wanna go back to the gym.
We should. I saw how I look in this shirt. I look better if I'm buffer.
Everything looks better if you just have a little bit of muscle.
I know. Little bit more muscle, the skinnier waist. I already have the waist, but like the muscle talaga. Fuck. For you, it's harder to slim down now compared to bulk up. The opposites for me.
So, kasi I eat a lot, tapos I snap a lot. Kaya, ito mo yung fridge ko, puro, ano ngayon, like bread lang, tapos fruit. I got a lot of fruit the other day, para yun na lang yung snack ko.
I could do that if I was alone. Kaso sarap din ang magluto sa bahay. They cook every day good food.
Remember the pandemic, I was so into being skinnier.
Oh yeah.
Tapos, ano, I will eat my first meal 1 p.m.
Ay,
Or before
ako early morning.
early morning, tapos no lunch.
No lunch.
It works, because you work out in between if you want to slim down.
Yeah. I look great. Compared to
I didn't have any pictures, but I'm sure I did.
right. And my ass was the best.
It got worse.
Hindi naman worse. Like, hindi na siya as pronounced.
Yun nga, it get like
It used to be.
it used to be better.
Yeah.
That wasn't the best.
No. It can always be better. Ayoko lang yung sobrang okay na. Parang hippo level.
That's good.
It's all about proportionizing. Are you humming Chappell Road? Ilang araw na yan stuck sa ulo ko. What song is it?
Picture.
This is such an awkward Christopher na station. Meron kasi yung mga bumababa dyan yung galing COD, gano'n. City of Dreams, yung mga galing dyan. Asyana.
Hindi siya mukhang station.
Yeah, even yung station near us.
I saw it na I should have picked that. Pero medyo matagal na nalakad lang.
It's from our place?
Alin?
What are you talking about? Sorry.
Like going here,
Ah.
you take Bakers and baba where that shop.
Ah, if I go with you.
No,
What?
like going here.
Ah.
Going to, ayan,
layo-layo.
Yeah.
Okay na rin ito.
Getting hungry.
Kasi, pero sinin na muna tayo para we
Check
can
natin.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can research na now. Shit.
On the spot lang. Aga pa tayo.
No, I mean, we can reserve tickets.
Ah, cause you've already...
Hindi. Let's reserve tickets as pay there.
Yeah. Okay. Ayaw mo dun na lang.
Eh, para sure na. Para mabayaran na lang.
I am such a splurger. I can't do this to myself. Splurge. No, I can. I just need money. Easy.
Everyone needs money. That's why I said
It will come. I'm not worried. I should be, but I'm not.
Me too. I haven't even told my parents I started working na. Kasi for sure babawasan nila yung
Ah, yeah.
allowance ko.
I do that too.
Okay na din yan. I haven't asked them for any money naman ever since I started. So, siguro nakakatipid sila sa akin. That's my contribution.
No, tsaka yun nga. You're still within their purview, so they have to give. Saan tayo makapag?
No.
No.
I have data. But no. There is no signal.
Yeah. What?
I could never live here.
It feels like our like roads na you pass by.
Parang siyang simulation for me. Doesn't feel real.
It feels like GTA. Because I feel like every single detail is carefully placed.
Parang siyang personality. That's why I feel like when I get older, I'd move to Makati.
Because it has personality.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's where the culture is at.
That's where the I wanna move to a bigger area.
Mm.
I feel like I've grown out of my unit now. It's gonna be 2 years now, next year on January.
But wouldn't it be more expensive?
Yun nga lang. And siguro when I'm working na, when I'm OJT. Depends where it is.
I'm excited. OJT. Wala pa.
I'm kidding.
Dito na ba tayo?
Yeah.
Later. I'm gonna ask if my taters to. I really want taters. If we're gonna head directly sa cinema. That's
I
what.
don't think so. Kasi, ang...
If.
Okay po, opo.
Sorry.
Sungit! Sungitan.
Maldita yan.
Maldito ang puto. Edit na. 250 thank you. Kuya, diba?
252?
252.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Po, ayan.
Ingat po.
Salamat
po kayo.
Good luck sa vlog.
Salamat po. Kayo din po. God bless. Ingat po. Ayan, so may drop na natin sila. So maraming salamat po sa panonood hanggang sa muli. Ingat po at God bless po everyone. Paalam po muna, pansamantala po. At tayo ay gagawa na ng separate video sa ating mga susunod na misyon. So mag-ikot-ikot tayo para makakuha. Sapagkat wala pa. Okay po, so ayan at maraming salamat po ulit sa panonood. So sila nga sir, I mean tayo nga ay galing doon nga na. Saan nga ba tayo nanggaling kanina? Nakalimutan ko na. Basta, doon na yun. At tinrap nga natin dito yan sa may Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Okay, so maraming salamat po. God bless po everyone. Paalam po muna pansamantala po.